today I did some polishing, and because over the top there will be the givi, so it's only the sides that I need to polish. So I did some little test. I polished one side with one paste and the other one with the other paste. So, and I think you can see that this side was polished for a while with the green one, which should be the fine one, and the other side was polished with the red paste, which you can see it's like more matte after the polishing the same amount of time. It's still more matte because I don't need any more sides or anything else to be polished, because only the sides will be seen. So let's finish the polishing. And with the polishing in general, the shine will be as good as amount the time you will put in it. So I don't need to be perfect. So I don't know, it takes 20 minutes of polishing to be like that, and if I would spend another 20 it would be better, and another 20 it would be better even more. So it's fine with me. I didn't want to polish it at the first time, so this is something I didn't even want it to do, but I wanted to try. I wanted to try the bare stainless steel, how can change with a little bit of polishing. So it can change. Anything can change if you polish it. And as I said, it depends on time you spend on it. So I'm going to finish the ends. And yesterday I picked up the last pieces of the puzzle named stainless steel mountain set for givi bags, for plastic givi bags, and I have already started polishing it. So this part is kind of polished a little bit, and the other part haven't been touched yet. So as soon as I finish the polishing, I will mount it on the bike. So I can't wait having it on the bike already. So let's go and polish and polish and polish. So it's half done for today, half of the one and half of the other. This one is not as much shiny, this is a little bit better. So tomorrow I'll start with this one, a little bit on this side, and then we'll continue the rest of the side pieces. It's not perfect, it's not as chrome as I said, but it's good enough for me. I wasn't planning polishing it at all, but in the end I just wanted to know how much it would polish if I gave it a try. So now I need to finish all of it, of course. The bike has been sitting here for over several months by now, because when I bought it, so I took down the original saddlebag support system and just put those screws back only like that. So it was not rideable for me, and I've been, I don't know, redesigning the luggage system from stainless material for a couple of last months. I just polished it a little bit to be like kind of shiny, at least a little bit, and now I'm going to mount it on the bike and finish it to be available for me. So should be pretty easy job. 4 screws to mount the side pieces and 4 screws to mount the rear rack. So let's get it done. So I set all the spacers and I'm going to try to fit it for the first time. Second side is prepared, the lock is pre-mounted, all the spacers, and we'll try to fit the other side. It is mounted, kind of, just tightened slightly because I'll be installing the rack as well, so everything fits, looks good, looks massive. That was the intent, to make it a little bit stronger. So we'll see outside when it's done. So both sides are mounted and I'm happy by now. So it is the next day and the whole traveling rack system is done. Everything came up pretty beautiful, I think. It is the side pieces, the rear rack, everything is perfect, almost as I expected. New hardware everywhere, new lock, completely new set of locks for both sides. So everything is done. The rear support struts to be stronger, completely new hardware everywhere. The only thing that needs to be put on the bike is the rear givi rack, and then everything is done. I have on a old lady, I have a support like plate over here to make the side pieces even stronger, because if you fully load those big bags, so it's kind of heavy, it's a heavy bag, so I will be making those supports as well. I have stainless plates for it, cut it already. I just need to bend it and drill 2 holes, and there will be one more support over here from under the footrest. Behind the side pieces there will be like support plate, and it's so much stronger. It is stronger already because I made it from thicker steel, and it's wider like that, so it is already much stronger. But if I maybe I wouldn't have to put the additional support, but I will, because it's really heavy when I fully loaded with stuff and you go the whole distance. So I will be making those supports and putting them on the bike, and then it'll be done completely. So soon. But this is success. Maybe those gaps, there is option for a backrest, so that's the reason why the rear rack it's not as wide as the side pieces, because there is a optional backrest you put between those two. But I don't have a backrest because there will be the rear back. You need to fill the gap with something, so that's no problem. So it is done, and I really like it. It's stainless, no worry about the surface. Maybe once in 2-3 years I put it down and I repolish it, and it's all. It's forever. It's nice. I really like it. I love this view. Without the third back, it looks like bus. It's so wide. It's a really, really wide set of bags. It's low and wide. I sit on the bike a couple minutes ago and I remembered the new handlebars. They are so comfortable. I think it was absolute win with those handlebars, and I haven't ridden them yet because bike was not ready. Today or tomorrow I'm putting the handshifting for me, and I will go for the first proper ride, because I haven't ridden the bike since January, like properly. I only went to the inspection and home, and that's it. And it's sitting since then, like 7 months sitting, waiting for its first ride. But I want it to be done completely before the first ride, so the setup is done. Now the handshifting, and it can go on its first ride. Today I put out both the bikes so we could see the actual comparison between the original system and the new stainless system, the one I redesigned a little bit. So let's see the differences side by side. So here is the original one. Here is the new one. Unfortunately, you cannot see the original rack because it's the givi rack on it already. Here is the stainless steel rack. So again, the original left side and the redesigned left side. Oh, I think it's absolutely okay. It's different shine. The stainless polished steel is different kind of shine, but it's okay because it's won't be seen anyway when the bags are on. So there's only one thing left to make for the new system, and it's this extra support, because it's really stiff and I can overload the bags as much as I need. I don't have this one over here yet. I'm going to make it as well. I made a copy of the Handshifting for the new bike a couple days ago, so the Handshifting for me is done. Only the tip of it I solved a different way. This one was put like exactly on the axle. I put the knob out, I drilled a hole, I put down the rubber, put on the Handshifting, and then put the screw with the spacer to hold the rubber on the place. And I solved a different way on the new bike, so I don't have to brush this knob off. I just made bigger hole and I put it directly on the rubber, so I can put it off and on whenever I want. It's kind of tight, but it's loose as well at the same time, so it doesn't come off. I don't have to worry. But it's like this way, it's different way, it's simpler. I can put it off whenever I want. It's just like tight and loose enough to stay on the place and work as well. So took a time with the welding, and then I put the filler on the welds, so, and brushed it to be perfect. So now it looks really smooth and nice and beautiful, and it's really nice piece. I like it. I'm going to redesign this piece during the winter, because I asked the company who makes me those pieces if they work with a different material, and they do. They work with brass, and they work with aluminium. So I will come with some kind of design from aluminium, and I will make it from one piece. Doesn't have to be like connected with screws from the two different pieces like that. So I will draw something through the winter, and I will let them make it for me. Then I will brush it, and it will be like a polished aluminum piece over here. So that's the plan for the winter evenings. So now the bikes are ready to go.